Finding the right toilet plunger isn't glamorous, but when a clog strikes, having the right tool can save you from a plumbing disaster. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 toilet plungers, chosen for their power, design, and real-world effectiveness. First up is the Korky BeehiveMAX toilet plunger. This model has become a favorite among homeowners and professionals alike due to its unique beehive-shaped head. Unlike traditional cup plungers, the flexible rubber bell design fits modern high-efficiency and elongated toilets without any air leakage. This creates a powerful seal that maximizes pressure, making it extremely efficient at dislodging even the most stubborn blockages. Users appreciate its durability and the fact that it doesn't splash as much as older plunger designs. It's also got a sturdy T-handle which provides better grip and leverage. If you're looking for a plunger that combines strength and smart design, the Korky BeehiveMAX is hard to beat. Next, let's talk about the J.S. Jackson Accordion plunger. This high-pressure model stands out with its industrial-style accordion design. It's built to deliver more force with each push thanks to its high-volume air displacement system. Unlike soft plungers that collapse under pressure, this one maintains its shape and provides a fast, explosive burst of air to break up clogs. It's particularly effective on tough blockages and older toilets with narrow drains. Some users mention it takes a little practice to get the technique right, but once you do, it's a powerful and reliable tool. Just be aware it can be a bit messy, so it's best kept in a utility closet or garage when not in use. The OXO Good Grips toilet plunger earns its place on this list for offering a sleek sanitary option for everyday bathroom use. What makes it special is the included canister that pops open and closed automatically, keeping the plunger neatly stored when not in use. The plunger itself features a flat flange, which works with most toilet types, and the handle is non-slip and comfortable to use. While it's not the most powerful option on this list, it's certainly one of the most hygienic and presentable for guest bathrooms or homes, where appearance matters. It's an excellent choice for families or those looking for a balance of performance and aesthetics. Now let's look at the NEIKO all-angle heavy-duty toilet plunger. This one is designed for versatility and efficiency. The standout feature is its pivoting head, which allows the plunger to adapt to different bowl angles and depths. This makes it particularly useful in tight or awkward bathroom spaces. The handle is made of aluminum, offering both lightweight comfort and strong control. The rubber cup is designed to create a tight seal on both traditional and low-flow toilets. If you're someone who needs a multi-purpose plunger that adapts to different toilet designs or angles, the NEIKO model is worth your consideration. Finally, for those who want raw power, we have the MaxxGeek high-pressure air plunger gun. This tool operates more like a compressed air blaster than a traditional plunger. You pump it up, press it against the toilet drain, and pull the trigger to release a burst of air pressure that can reach up to 120 pounds per square inch. It's ideal for major clogs, especially in older plumbing systems where standard plungers might fail. It can be used on sinks and floor drains as well, making it a versatile solution. While the MaxxGeek might not be suitable for everyone due to its mechanical nature and the noise it produces, it's one of the most effective options for clearing serious blockages without calling a plumber.